Ni hao, Uncle Homo. Welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today, Auntie is going to show you how I'm gonna make Hakka Egg Meatrolls. So come, let's join Auntie. This one is minced pork, and the ingredient besides that, about 6 cloves of garlic, ginger. This one is shiitake mushroom, and this one carrot, and this is prawns. I'm gonna chop this into pieces too. Besides that, I'm using shallot oil, and of course black pepper, sesame oil, and a little bit of fish sauce, of course salt and ajinomoto. These are the shrimp. They are already chopped in pieces. Okay, mix into the pork. And the shiitake mushroom and carrot. Okay, a little bit of sesame oil. Okay, and some fish sauce. Fish sauce, you can use any brand you want. This is to remove the foul smell of the pork. This salt. I just put 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon. Ajinomoto, 1 teaspoon is enough. I'm going to grate the ginger. 6 cloves of garlic, eh? Okay, these are black peppercorn. I'm gonna put the shallot oil. This one is Shaoxing wine. I'm gonna put a bit of Shaoxing wine. Okay, and I'm gonna crush 1 egg. This is supaya kava to combine the meat together. Okay, 2 spoons of this. Stir and stir and stir until it's well incorporated. Okay, Auntie have cracked 5 eggs, and this one is flour. I have 2 tablespoons of flour, and this one is fish sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of fish sauce, and this one is black peppercorn. Okay, I add in the fish sauce and the flour. I add in together, and Auntie start whisk. Okay, Auntie have 1/8 of a cup of water. Add into the egg and continue whisk. Okay, we start the cooking. Pour in the egg and spread it evenly. Alright. Okay, then we flip it slowly. Do slowly. Okay, that's it. Another flip. All right. Oh, so nice. So this is how a Hakka pork meat roll. Okay, flip it. Okay, done. So beautiful. Okay, that's how it is. All right, time to take it out from the pan. That's it. Okay, so beautiful. It's very delicious. Hello friends. This is how already pan fried for a while, and this one process, I'm going to steam this until it's cooked. Okay, stay tuned guys. So friends, this is the ending of my cooking just now. The Hakka Egg Meat Roll. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment and share. And bye bye. See you in the next video.